Hello, welcome to week 5. We're already getting close to reading week, hard to believe. Just want to go through this week briefly with you. So in the week 5 folder, you're going to find the learning outcomes, which will coincide with your syllabus. So always make sure you're checking the syllabus to see what the unit is, what chapters to read, what you should be doing for this week. So that is always where you need to go first, and then go to the weekly folder. So this week we're talking about behavioral theories and learning and teaching in theories in relation to how it works with teaching our clients in clinic about changes that we want them to make to their habits, their routines, in order to help support their oral health and their overall health. So as a healthcare professional, you will be educating your clients every appointment. So you need to understand some of these theories and how we can help our clients change. The determinants of health is also a big part of what determines a client's ability to be healthy, stay healthy, understand their health. So you need to go to that website, the WHO website, the World Health Organization, and look at the determinants of health. So there's 2 PowerPoints. This one is the longer of the 2, and then the chapter 2 from Darby is the human needs. There's videos that go along with these PowerPoints, or you can watch them after you've looked at the PowerPoints, but there is prompting through the PowerPoints to watch these videos. They're all pretty short, but make sure you do watch them because our test next week may have some questions related to these theories, so you should understand them. The determinants of health, so the WHO World Health Organization web is here. That's the link. Your links to the presentations is here as well. And then your assignment this week is a reflection on the 3 videos that you will watch. Make sure that you watch 3 of the topics you have not covered. So if you did whitening, don't watch whitening ones for your reflection. You can watch all of them, of course, so you can learn more about the aids. But for the purpose of this assignment, I want you to make sure you're looking at ones that you didn't research. This is a journal page. It will not be visible to anyone but me, and these are some questions that can guide you. Keep it pretty small. I don't want to have pages and pages of this journal. It should be fairly concise, and each video will have its own section. So what did you like about that presentation? What could be improved? One thing you learned from it, one thing you want to know more about. So make sure for each one that you watch, you do that. The key here is to look at the presentation style and whether you were able to learn something from it or not. The assignment 2 link is here as well, and when you link to that, it takes you straight to the assignment tab here, and I did include an example here as well, and instructions for assignment 2 as well. Just going to go back to the weekly learning. And so in week 5, there is also at the bottom, when you're all done the week, your checklist to make sure that you've done what you need to do before you can say I'm done the week. The reflection journal is due Sunday at midnight. I am currently marking the discussion boards from last week. Those should be done in the next day or 2. If you have any other questions, let me know. Next week is week 6. We do have a test. It will be in class, and then there will be online content, not on the test. It will be a 50-minute test, roughly, up to 1 hour. And if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll post a breakdown toward the end of this week or early next week. Have a good week.